Almost everyone would consider the highly sought after and most efficient unit in terms of home heating systems. And this seems to be why many want to install a ductless heating system, also referred to as the mini split heating system. You'll get to know more about this type of air conditioner throughout the video. There are many products available to choose from best mini split AC, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best mini split AC from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Senville SCNL Series Mini Split Air Conditioners. Like Pioneer, also Senville provides various sizes of air conditioners, starting from 900 BTU up to 30,000 BTU. Senville SCNL Series Mini Split Air Conditioners are compact, affordable, efficient, and powerful as well. Each unit can also work as a heater, thanks to the integrated heat pump. Senville offers very high SEER up to 19, making them one of the best in the class. In addition, this air conditioner does not need expensive ductwork, making the installation process easier and less costly. Powerful performance and dependable durability with high-quality design for an attractive appearance. Great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms, and even commercial applications like stores, restaurants, and warehouses. Includes indoor air handler, outdoor condensers, remote control, and installation kit with 16 feet line set and communication wire. Pre-charge with R410 air refrigerant for up to 25 feet. Number 2. Pioneer Diamante Split Air Conditioners. Our favorite single-zone unit won't be an eyesore in your home. The Pioneer Diamante series boasts a wide variety of sizes and an aesthetically pleasing air handler. This model has a dual swing louver system. It sends out the air in horizontal and vertical directions to cover every corner of your space. The Pioneer Diamante works even when outdoor temperatures get as low as -13°. It also has freeze protection, so it's a great option for people in cold climates. This ductless system has a near-silent operation. The air handler works at around 32 decibels, making it quieter than your refrigerator. The main highlight of the Pioneer Diamante is the beautiful air handler. It's got a sleek silvery display that outshines even premium competitors. Number 3. Senville Quad Zone Split Air Conditioners. If you want to treat a big space on a budget, this 4-zone split system gets the job done without breaking the bank. It's a great value for what you get, making it stand out over other multi-zone systems. The Senville Quad Zone Mini Split System has 1 outdoor compressor and 4 wall-mounted air handlers. Most brands charge between $3,500 and $5,000 for the same size unit. Plus, with operation up to 22.5 SEER, you can expect a reasonable energy bill each month. This model comes with a great limited warranty. The compressor is covered for 7 years, and all other parts are covered for 3 years. The mini split comes with a copper line set and an easy installation kit, helping save thousands on installment costs. Number 4. Mr. Cool D Split Air Conditioners. This D-friendly option efficiently cools and heats your space with a tech-forward flair. The Mr. Cool D single-zone ductless system can cool a room up to 750 square feet. This mini split comes with a condenser, 1 air handler, and almost all the installation equipment you'll need. The only parts not included are tools like a hole saw and a stud finder. This mini split fan has plastic blades instead of metal, making for quieter operation. The system maxes out at 32 decibels, so you likely won't even notice when it's running. This model is Wi-Fi compatible, and the SmartVac app turns your smartphone into a remote control. You can even control your split system with voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 5. Gree Sapphire Split Air Conditioners. If high efficiency is your priority, the Gree Sapphire is your mini split system. This pick is the highest SEER mini split on our list by a long shot. It maxes out at an unmatched 38 SEER, far more efficient than most systems that barely breach the 20s. With an extra efficient 9K BTU model, you can expect to see your energy bill decrease during the cooling season. The single-zone Gree Sapphire is available in 4 different BTU capacities. If you live somewhere with brutal winters, this is the best mini split for you. It can operate in temperatures as low as -22°. We love the 7-speed fan and 4-way airflow on this model. It saves you energy by working below its maximum capacity for most of the day. The Gree Sapphire comes with Wi-Fi compatibility. You can use the manual remote control or use the Gree Plus app to give commands using your smartphone. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.